Hey guys, all right, we're gonna go check out this jungle that I have back here. It's amazing. It's super nitrogen rich jungle old garden of mine. Thank you to some wonderful piglet droppings, right? So we're gonna try to get in here. I'm gonna try to show you some stuff in here, but literally it is so overgrown and big because there's lots of squash and pumpkins and stuff like that that's hard to walk through. I find a lot of spiders and webs, but it's amazing. It has really grown up so many things, and I can see so many pumpkins starting to peek through some of the stuff that's dying back a little bit. So it's really great to be able to see this and talk about some stuff. So we're gonna go in there. I apologize, I have my sunglasses on. It is very warm today and extremely sunny, but this is the only time I have to show you, and I really want to be able to talk to you guys about some of the stuff that's going on. So let's go take a look. All right, let's go into the back garden here. We have squash that has grown up, or a pumpkin of some sorts that's coming through. They're like busting through the other side, which is great. They're all grown up over here. They've grown up and came out of the fencing over here, so I can literally barely get in this garden. But let's go see what we can see, my friends. Okay. So green, so nitrogen filled, difficult to walk through. I definitely overplanted it. I did it on purpose. I figured it would happen like that, but it's also really kind of magical and cool. So I do have some powdery mildew on the things right there, but it's the middle of September, going towards the end of September. I'm not going to take care of it or do anything with it. It has been fine, and there's actually lots of beautiful stuff out here. Here's lots of broccoli that is going on. I have been coming out here and harvesting my little dippers, is what I like to call them. And also some go to seed as well. And the pollinators, especially my honeybees, absolutely love these things. So it's kind of tricky to walk through if you're a little skittish of the bees. But it works. I share with them. They just don't know it. Okay. All right, we're going to get through. It's hard. Seriously, it's hard. All right, here is a beautiful purple potted pole bean trellis, which is famous in these here parts. Isn't that beautiful? It's done a good job. I've canned out of these, and I gave up on a lot of the beans. A lot of them are going to seed, which I'll show you in there. But I've done over 30 quarts of beans. I'm good with that. We are good. It's done its job. It's fixed the soil on this end, which is great. So let's go through here. Oh, so nice. So lovely. So if you can see this guy right here, see how you can tell it's protruded out. There's very big beans inside of there. These are going to dry out here on the vine for as long as possible. And when I remember, I'll go ahead and harvest them and then take them in and let them continue to dry out and save them for next year to plant. Easy peasy. Or you can just leave them out here the whole entire year and drop them down and till them in, and they will plant themselves for you. They are very awesome beans. I think beans in general are awesome. All right, so then we have over here from this angle right here. Whew, it's a hot one, my friends. Oh, we have really cool Jack B. Little pumpkins that are coming up. Those are just for decoration. So those are thrown in there. Those will also go to the pigs when they, when I'm done with them. We have pretty nice sized pumpkins there. Whatever shape that thing is there. There's another one there. Just swing the camera over here. We have that one there. That one there. And actually I have these little white bumps on there. I have not looked up to see why it has those little white bumps. So if you guys know, I would love to hear your thoughts on why that particular, or those pumpkins have those little spots. My guess is maybe too much water at some point. That's what I blame everything on. Too much water. These are Brussels sprouts. They're not really putting the little Brussels on. So, I mean, maybe tiny little specks on that one. So we're going to see how that plays out. Those can stay out here for quite some time. I've harvested them in the snow before, so it's all good. So we'll leave them. And then we have, some stuff I've harvested from over in this direction. There's actually some zucchini. There's pumpkin. There's my kids' plant. Let's see, they did their own beans and stuff like that. I've harvested lots of broccoli and cauliflower. We have it way over there. So that's about it that's going on here. It's a jungle, literally. And a lot of this stuff will be happening after it starts to cool down, and I can see some more when the jungle starts to disappear. But it's very exciting. It's like a treasure hunt. It's like Christmas Day, but because Jesus was born. But this is so cool too. Thank you, Jesus, for this stuff too. We've got weeds, lots of green. It's good stuff, right? So thank you for joining me on the back garden tour, the fall update of what's going on back here. Lots of stuff to still get into. An amazing amount of stuff we still have to process and accomplish, but it's coming in, and again, so thankful. See you guys later.